Hi guys, this is Muskan and welcome to Glam Shades, the show where I review products and review tricks. आज मैं आपके लिए एक ऐसा फाउंडेशन लाई हूँ that's unlike anyone you already own. It's from Lakme. It's called Lakme Absolute Matte Real Skin Natural Mousse. Foundations कई प्रकार के आते हैं. You get liquid foundations, compact foundations, stick foundations, but I was very bored of using these three. So when I saw this product from Lakme, I knew I had to get my hands on it. ये product का texture तो काफी lightweight है, but it can give you medium to full coverage depending on how you use it. Personally, I've grown up using Lakme products. It's India's first beauty brand and it's over 50 years old now. मुझे इनके products इसीलिए पसंद है because they're specially crafted for Indian skin. Just like Lakme Absolute's other products, ये आता है एक black color के box. बॉक्स के ऊपर आपको प्रोडक्ट की सारी जानकारी दी जाएगी. When you open the box, you'll find the silver color glass jar. ये बहुत ही क्यूट है, नीचे का सिल्वर है एंड ऊपर it's a mirror. It looks really beautiful on your vanity. जैसे आप इसे खोलेंगे, you'll find that इसके अंदर एक और प्रोटेक्टिव लेयर है. इसकी मदद से आपका फाउंडेशन लीक नहीं होगा. And then you finally come to the foundation. When you get your hands on the foundation, आप देख सकेंगे इसका फॉर्मूला कितना फ्लफी और प्यारा लगता है. The shade I have with me here, it's called Almond Honey. But there are other shades available for Indian skin tones ranging from medium caramel to golden. क्योंकि इसका फॉर्मूला इतना लाइट है, it doesn't weigh down the rest of your makeup. And the best part is, चाहे आपका skin type कोई भी हो, if you have normal skin, dry skin or oily skin, you can easily use this foundation. It comes with a built-in SPF 8, so it'll protect you from the sun and last up to 16 hours. Now, before you use this foundation or any other foundation, it's very important to prep your skin. Start by washing your face using a mild cleanser and then toning and moisturizing it. Start by unrolling the lid of the jar. After applying primer, dip your index finger into the formula and dab it lightly onto your face. Start with the center and then blend outwards for a more natural finish. If you have any specific concerns or you want to spot conceal, you can do that also. You can finish this with a setting spray to lock it in place. When you're buying a foundation, it's very important to keep your shade in mind. मैंने बहुत लोगों को देखा है जो अपने forearm पे foundation की shade को टेस्ट करते हैं. But that's wrong क्योंकि आपकी forearm का color और आपके face का color काफी different होता है. So the next time when you're buying foundation, always remember अपने face पे टेस्ट कीजिए. You can test it on your cheekbones or your jawline. What makes this foundation extremely exciting for me is honestly the texture. So if you're looking for a new foundation and you want to add a little bit of fun to your makeup, you can use this foundation. It'll give you full coverage while being weightless. Let me know what you think and stay tuned for more videos.